What's micro?
Hey guys, we're gonna have to deal with crap audio quality today. Because there's a few things I want to show you how to do because of somebody's curiosity now. Some people want to know how. Well, shout out to Wyatt at Wyatt394. Please go subscribe to him. He is a awesome content creator. Thank you for recommending this. But this, he would like to know how I make it sound like a bunch of me talking at once. So there's two ways I do it. Mostly. I can do it other ways, but unless you want to know how to sound like you and other versions of you are on a phone call or talking through wireless microphones to each other, then yeah.
Camera button selected. Screen recording. This game. Play button. YouTube. Phone. Search. Page 6 of 11.
Now, here's the way I do it without being fully in control.
Go. Net editing folder. Set. Voice. Set. Rapster. Rapster button.
This app is actually for saving music files and for music you want, for files you want to keep, and you can have folders, and I have a bunch of random folders. Now let's say I want to play one file.
Album. Song covers. M. Movie. It's random. Movie clip. Some more. Delete. More. Royalty free. New album button. Royal.
Let's
Microphone.
just play a random
Add
thing that I
here.
made. By the way, none of this is music that I want to save. Seriously, this is what the app was meant for. But
Fire Infernal. Play.
I just have a bunch of random
Delete.
stuff in here.
Let's
land on a random one.
Squish squash.
No, not that one. Not that.
B. 3 Jew. Beauty. BN. But it was just play. Delete. What apart from my pack lunching. Website updates. November. What apart from my pack lunching. Play.
Now, all of these videos are fake, me just pretending to be random YouTube channels that are not real. Let's play this.
Today I packed lunch for myself. 2 ham sandwiches, a packet of crisps.
Play.
Yeah, vice versa. Let's say you want multiple files to play at once, but you don't want to control the volume of how loud each file plays. So, for how I made the arcade ambience for example.
Add your note. Fire Infernal and Water Overdrive.
So this was me playing Fire Ice or Water on my games.
Albums. Royalty free.
So I started it, then I click on the same folder.
Fire Infernal and play. But
then you see it says play, and that's because I have refreshed the folder, so it's refreshed the file, but the old one is still playing. And then if I click
NOF,
if I click
play.
What? There, and you see both of the files are playing at once. You could do this with multiple folders, so if I want to play something from this one, along with the other ones from the folder that I was just in, then I can add that.
Add your notes, VV play,
then that can happen.
Album.
So that's how to do that.
App, YouTube, Rapster. Close Rapster. Home.
Now, if you want a bit more control on the volumes of certain
voice
stuff,
recorder light.
then here's the cooler way to do
Closing
it.
dock. Messages.
And this is mainly how I did the short.
Slendering app seller. Slendering. Page 4. Page M. Video voice.
Now, there's two apps called Video Voice on my home screen, as you saw from my What's on my iPhone video. I still need to do a part 2 on
Photo
that.
button. Camera button. Photo. Explore image. Activate.
You can choose a photo from your photo gallery or record right in browser. For this case, I'm going to record in browser.
IP icon video capture recording.
Test. I'm recording for a video. I'm Miss Johnson, the local teacher.
IP icon video capture. Sport.
Then I'll just load it in. Test. I'm recording for a video. I'm Miss Johnson, the local teacher. This is not how it will actually sound. It's just the effect of my screen recording.
Rooster. Record. X.
Now, to demonstrate how this actually works, I'm going to turn off my headphones. Okay.
Editor. Heading. X0. Artist. Record.
Do you have the back button?
Editor. Export.
You could share it.
005.
That's a little time limit, how long it lasts.
Refresh. Dimmed. But
that. If you've added any other recordings, which I'll get to in a second, it will take away all the ones you've added and just leave you with the original.
Timer.
This is a little thing to change the speed of the recording, like the noise or voice.
Artist. Button.
Now here's where the fun part gets, and by the way, you have a bunch of voice effects.
Cancel. Button.
Okay,
Record.
artist.
Heading. Done.
Now this brings up another record screen. Now you're thinking this will replace the original,
Capture. Button.
right? But for example, if I press record and just start talking random things away from the phone, so it sounds like I'm a little bit further away, like I'm in a classroom or something. Like, look at this.
Capture.
Hey, bro, I like bananas. I like bananas. I like bananas.
Test, test, test. I'm
I
recording
like
for a video.
bananas.
I'm a short
I like
local teacher.
bananas.
And as you see, it automatically plays the recording when it's done, which is a nice little, not warning, but a little message saying it's done, it's over. They just automatically stop the recording for you.
Mix. 50%.
Then you see this little slider here.
50% adjustable.
This is where you can adjust the volume of that recording you just added.
6, 7, 80, 9, 100.
Hey, bro, I like bananas. I like bananas.
So if you put it to 100, that'll completely replace the other recording.
80%. 6, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 20, 10%. 20%.
Let's see what happens if you put it
10%.
at 10. Test, test, test. I'm recording for a video. I'm a Staunton local teacher. And as you can see, my original is much larger than the other one, but you can still hear the other one I just did in the background. So it sounds a bit like a classroom, which is something I like to use for ambiences where multiple people are talking. I do not use Rapstar for that. I only use that for funny stuff that I do. I mean, I do actually use that for classroom sometimes, where I just, like keep clicking in and out of the folder, adding bunches of stuff of me just saying random things and different voices together, so it sounds like, well, it actually technically is multiple people in the classroom, but
Done.
me pretending. Hopefully that explains it, and I will see you in the next video.